Hello.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Farhan.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
GU is in the same zone,
Yeah,
ranging.
for the whole week. That's weird.
Yeah.
On MT5, I have the daily close bullish. That's a
Yeah, I have the same issue. GJ had a very clear move to the upside.
yeah.
So, Nuran, if you open 1 hour, so if you see, like, it created a support, and like now we see the momentum is bullish.
Yeah.
And if the VIX, can you see those VIX which is it's trying to break right now to the left hand side?
Yeah.
Yeah, these VIX. So if these ones are broken, this is also 4 hour high. So then our target can be the black line you have, like the resistance. If the
Yeah.
wick is broken, the 4 hour wick is broken. So this is something like I am looking for a buy.
First, I would want a candle to close.
A pullback.
Yeah, up right here.
Okay.
Make
Close
it.
this here and then make the wicks.
Yeah. I'm honestly, I don't want to take a trade within the range.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had this thing from last 2 days.
Yeah, exactly.
Got stuck.
Nice. Hello, Ali. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Hey, hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Good.
Is Umar around? Is he online?
Omar, not yet.
Okay.
He should be coming soon.
Yeah, yeah. This has been acting really weird.
Yeah,
This pair.
within the range.
Exactly. Because I came for my London session
Yeah.
and it was very weird,
Yeah.
making wicks here and there,
Nice. So, what are you waiting for any particular like break or setup? If it,
You see,
yeah.
If this candle closes like around 9683, right?
Yeah.
Above that,
Yeah.
so we could have a good, a good buying move till around 828, 9828.
Yes. Yeah, just this area.
It can go further. But yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
But the problem is, nowadays NYSE open, we don't have a lot of volume.
No.
And at exactly when London close comes, when London is closing, then we get that volume, that push. Before that, it's just ranging,
Yes, that's true.
Every time, these pairs change dimensions and all. So
yeah, when they give out money too easy and then it starts consolidating,
exactly.
it becomes harder to trade.
Like nowadays, you've got like good Asian sessions as well.
Yes.
So they want like everyone to make money and lose money.
Yeah.
Morning.
Hello, good morning, Omar.
Good morning. Very good.
Forex Frank, what's up, man? GU pushing up. Yes. Hopefully it's not.
Hi guys.
Hello, Sean. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning. Noran, tell us once for all, which side are you on?
Which time?
Are you on the side of market or our side?
I'm on your side.
Why do you say that?
Yeah, why you say that?
This man, what is it doing? We didn't get a signal from you.
It's ranging right now. That's what it's doing.
Didn't it break the range?
Oh, like as of right now, the resistance?
Yeah.
Yes. So, but it's still within this range that we've been trading this whole week. Like safer buys would be better above this area, but if we do really want to catch it just before, we would want a support to be formed around this area to continue moving up. But it's kind of weird, like on the MT5 that I have, previous daily closed bullish. In fact, all of them actually closed bullish.
Yeah. Yep.
So, I mean, like the bearish here kind of to me looks like a reversal. It might just flip down, but on the phone it's bullish, so it might continue moving up. So it's kind of weird.
That's confusing actually.
It is. Market manipulation 101.
It's not in place.
We have only Fed Chair Powell speaks at 12:05 p.m. Alright, so looking at the daily, we see like this daily here came down, tapped into this major support, right? I was looking at it yesterday. Actually, when it came down, I was waiting for the break of the previous daily, right? But on my phone, it just came tapped into that wick and rejected. It didn't even go like that much. Okay, so that tells me like it just tapped into support and it continued moving up. So if it continues moving up, then it's probably gonna fill this wick right here off the daily. Now on the 4 hour, this candle made a fake out, you know, like it came down, made a support, and this candle broke all the like the rejections right here, and it's about to close above. So if we do get the next 4 hour candles to come down, tap into this either gray line or the body over here, it could possibly tap back into here. But if it taps into here or here and we get a flip, we could take it up further till here.
Yep. I shared my chart, so I don't know if you've seen it.
Oh yeah.
Just give me a second, I'll explain. So, this is based on 30-minute. This was a resistance that was formed. I was watching it through the New York session. This was another resistance that was formed. It broke, closed out of it, and this big candle came through, broke through these resistances. All right. So what I'm looking at is possibly on a 15-minute support to be formed on this area to take it further here. Sells are tricky right now for me, even though this was a clean move up. So anything closing below here, if you guys are interested, but I would be looking for good sells after this area.
Yes. Excellent.
No problem. Always.
Yeah, like I feel like over here this area has a lot of problems. You know, like I think it's best to wait above 39,856. Well, we'll see.
Just close on the support.
Alright, so what's happening? So we have this 4-hour close just at the resistance. Just delete this. Yeah, if we get a bearish candle right here closing, respecting this area, then we could take the next candle up. U.S. jobless claims rose slightly last week to 745,000. So that means the dollar is weak. Pound should be going up. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab a coffee. Give me a minute. So Kane taps into this line here. It would be perfect if we get a bearish candle to close up here.
UK's car sales declined since the lowest number since 1959.
Why is no one talking?
I've been talking and I realized I was on mute. And I was like, no, why is nobody replying to me?
Now we're looking at 5 minutes.
No, just
Oh, Farhan is here too.
yeah.
Yes, I'm
And
here.
I don't know because you weren't talking earlier on, and usually did you share your chart and we did your analysis?
Oh no, I didn't. I was working.
Let's see.
Right.
Nuran, see what I did there?
No, but he came and he gave his analysis. Yeah.
Like verbally, but I've never sent a chart here.
Yeah.
Actually, somebody was late in the class, I think.
Yes, Shan was late.
Oh, okay.
Class, I like the word class.
Class. That's true. It is a study session.
Yeah.
Good one, Farhan.
Good one, good one.
Ran is thinking like this 15 minutes should close bullish and next 15 should break the higher high, then he's getting in.
No, I would want it to close bearish in this area here.
Bearish?
Yeah, if it closes bearish, then we have support established. If it closes above like this black line.
Yeah. Even if it closes bullish, so it won't fine.
I mean, it will be good, but then where's the stop loss? It's good to set it behind like a bearish candle, like a decent support, right? You always want your stop loss either behind a support or above like a resistance.
So from yesterday, if the stop loss is big, so we should open the position accordingly, right?
Yes. You have to calculate how much your loss would be if it hits.
Exactly.
So if we get this to retrace back a little bit and come up, break this line, I would want to enter for an impulse entry once it breaks this 30-minute. It's gonna be like the same thing as last like 2 days, but gotta manage who's with me and who wants to wait above this area here.
No, I will take if it breaks the 4 hour.
Okay, Omar.
If it's the 4 hours, the same as the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Previous 30-minute, you can say.
Yeah, 30 minutes is okay. TP should be around.
This is the TP.
7 pips.
Yeah, the range is like, it's a little bit small, but yeah, there's just too much noise on this side. Wow, GG just went up, man. Wow, like it's been going up.
Yeah.
Wow. It looks so nice off the daily.
Yeah.
Why didn't Gio do this?
Gio did a little bit of it.
Yeah, like halfway through, like a quarter through.
Gio pushed like if 30, like 15-minute candle push like 17 pips, and then next 15, and then like 30 pips move in half an hour candle. It's a beautiful setup. Right, you banked it, killed it literally.
So today it could be, I mean, like this whole week is gonna be very challenging. So today it could either range or it could break really hard. I'm expecting probably a break. But the break, I mean, like the range what we have to the downside is bigger than to the upside. So a runner would be a good option for today. So we have this 15 minutes came down, tapped into here. It already has a higher high. So the next 30 minutes might come down, tap into the support over here, and continue moving up. Just
Rejection on the 15-minute.
keep that in mind. Yeah, I think I'd rather wait for the next 30. So who's gonna wait and who's gonna enter when it breaks the 4 hour?
I mean, it's been waiting for too long, so I think if it's breaking it, or when it does, I think we can enter.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because there's like also 5 minutes till the candle close. But what it could do, like, it could come up, break it, right? And then the next candle, it would do that retracement down.
But if you see on the 15-minute, right, it's rejecting really, really strongly. Like it touched the body.
Yeah. Respected.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 30 to close.
If it breaks up, it will break.
If it's what?
Like if it is breaking up upside
Yeah.
now, like it will be quite fast.
Yeah, but what worries me, the next 30 minutes could come down, tap into here, then go up. I don't want to be that downward.
Okay.
So if the next one does come up and then breaks it, hopefully not. Hopefully it just comes down a little bit more. Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in. Gonna put it behind this support right here. I mean, just below the previous 30 minutes candle.
Okay.
Are you guys in trade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, man. I was too busy.
You still getting.
Come on, a little more. So this area, try to secure some pips. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna bring it to break even.
Yep.
I hope everyone's securing some profits.
Yeah. We are, Sarji.
Beautiful. Shit, I missed it. Forex, Frank, come on. We've been talking about it for like... It's okay. We should get a tap into 39,850. Let's go.
I've closed everything.
Nice.
Who took this trade?
I did.
No, who else?
Yeah. who
Ali,
else?
Shan?
Yeah, I did.
Mr. Ali.
Yeah.
Nice. So, was anyone confident about this trade?
I was.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a run in because if it breaks this point, it's going up.
Yes, sir. I have a runner too, and the only reason because, like, I'm thinking it's gonna. I'm anticipating the wick fill of the daily.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
I would hate for it to close or runner and then continue going up.
It happens. It happens.
Sorry, your runner has been hit? Is that what you're saying?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
The runner is far away, guys. Come on, it's at least.
It's 5 pips for me right now.
That's right.
I just want like 5 more pips. Let's go, GU. Come on. Let's go. So I'm gonna start playing a sound effect if it goes in drawdown. I'm gonna start playing that. It's gonna be like this.
Is that Farhan?
No. That's Omar.
Okay, good that you're here. Man, we don't like your new job. You've become Shan.
Yeah. Farhan used to be talking, you know,
Yeah.
giving us his breakdowns.
Alright.
What's the target, Noran?
So I have
Here?
a runner, but if it reaches this black line peacefully, then within like say 15 minutes, I would want to close it. But if it starts just moving up really fast and breaking this area, I might leave the runner to 4,000, 40,000. Yeah.
Just trail your stop loss a little bit up.
Yeah. It's at 7 right now. I'll move it when it's at 10.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll close some and then I'll move it to 10. Man. All right.
Close more?
Yes.
Good. That I was saying, like my runner's so big I can't close it. Half position.
Gotta divide it.
I can't. The software is not allowing me.
Actually? No. Yeah.
0.01, man.
0.0.
He's talking about 0.01.
I know. As soon as he said software, I was like, what?
Shan, you're still holding?
Yep.
Good. What about Ali?
Yeah, I closed everything.
Oh, closed everything. Nice.
Oh, close everything. Okay.
I was closing it, as we were moving forward, and then I realized my software does not allow me to close any further. Everything is gone. I've closed everything.
I feel like closing as well because the 15 minutes candle is coming to a close.
Yes. But also this 30 minutes, you could have some juice to continue moving up in 15 minutes and hopefully close above this resistance.
It doesn't look like it's got more juice.
Yeah. But you know, we have seen GU move the last 5 minutes drastically.
Or come down drastically.
Yeah, that's true. Because it should have went up. Went up quick.
That's the reason I closed it. Because to be honest, our initial TP was at like 7-8 pips, right? But it has went like 10 pips from our entries. At least 12-15 pips from our entries.
Let's see.
Okay.
No, 10 pips.
10 pips, yeah.
Hopefully we get this one to tap the black line, and it's a beautiful day.
Making an effort.
I think if it tries to tap the black line, it's gonna bypass the black line. It's not gonna.
Yeah.
Because it's having little hesitation around this particular area. So if it pushes out of it, it will have volume that it's not gonna look for the 3985 is not gonna be the one that's gonna
hold it.
It must look like that in the 4 hours it's gonna go there. It will probably touch 1.4 as well.
Based on what?
On 4 hour chart.
Yeah.
That's the thing with Forex, it's so unpredictable that anything can happen in the meanwhile.
Yes, it could drop like 100 pips and go back to the same spot. Like nothing happened.
That's why Omar's strategy is really good. Get what you can.
That's Omar's strategy. Nice, Omar. You made that strategy?
Yes, man, you don't know?
Oh shit. Gotta get copyrights.
I made that strategy, yeah. I treat it like a public washroom. Just go in and come out quick.
Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
Drive through.
Drive through. Somebody said that on Rakil's stream this morning, that gold is like a public washroom. You go in quick and come out in 10 seconds.
Yes. Ooh, it's coming down. I'm thinking I might come out. Actually, like, it just might stop me out. I break even. If it happens, it happens.
I'm out now because it's breaking 5 minutes, so I'm out.
Okay. Broke in 5 minutes.
So, see, it is breaking the lower low, so it created a kind of a support for me on your gray line.
Yeah.
Sorry, resistance at the gray line.
Yeah.
You have.
Stop me out,
I'm out.
unfortunately. Yes.
Me too.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's look for a sell.
Yes. Everyone in profits?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now it's gonna go to the black line and way beyond. We just been getting better and better every day.
Ready?
We just been getting better and better every day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But having last 2 days was part of the learning, right?
Oh yeah. I mean, we were right if you think about it. Like the directions.
Yeah, it's just the way it moved.
Yeah.
Our analysis was good.
I was listening to Uncle Ted, and man, he gives us so much, like so many examples. Like, it's so true. Like, for example, if I tell you guys, let's go run every single day, some of you might be like, oh, like I don't want to, you know, like I don't know how to like run for a long distance. But if we just do it every single day, then you won't even question it. You just start running. It's like same thing with like trading. If you come here every day, then you're more comfortable, more confident. Help yourself to start running.
Good one, Noran.
Thank you. I wanted to go with 2 lots, but I'm like, man, it's a shitty week. Let's calm down a little bit.
Soon we'll be following your. You go to 2 lots, so we can go to half lot or 0.75.
Half,
yeah. Yeah. And I know the day I'm gonna go half, what will happen, right, Farhan?
Go?
Come on, Farhan.
I know. He used to be part of this team. He's not anymore. He's a working man.
He's a working man.
But you know, like what bothers me is that we should have sticked to the analysis. No. What the No, we should have stick to the analysis. Like, see, I have my zones. I do this every single day where I would come, draw the zones, the clear zones, right? This range up to there, and this one down to there. But we still end up taking one within the range.
Exactly. And because you see, yesterday we clearly said we're gonna wait for the break and close of it. Not the break and close. But we only got in on the break, not the close.
Yes.
And the FOMO got us.
Yeah.
The FOMO got us. We have been good in terms of risk management point of view, it was good because you see we were cutting it. We could have been worse, that it would have changed the direction altogether, but it still came back and performed the way we wanted to, but after the break and close. But had this gone up, I would have taken 2 times more loss than what I have taken yesterday. You know what I mean?
Yeah. 100%. One lot. Forex Frank, is that how? You didn't enter the trade, did you? Wow, stock market tanking. So for this, you want to buy is above here? Nah, I don't know what the fuck.
It's falling out.
Wow, it's going. Fuck you, Gio.
Is it going?
It's going. Came, stopped us out, and it's beautifully gonna go. Not today. I stepped away for a tiny bit and took off on me. I would normally use 0.8 to 1 lot, sometimes less if it feels too risky, but today was a good trade. Just missed it because of me is all okay. That's okay. There's always a Forex buck. There's always a Forex fuck, man. There's always a Forex bus that will come.
What's the Forex fuck?
No. Forex bus. The Forex bus is always come around to scoop people up. So there's always opportunity.
You just don't want to get on the wrong bus.
Yes. Omar and Sean, I know you guys like take trades in the middle of the day, which is not good.
No, we don't. I don't.
But tell me this, when you do enter a trade, it's not moving as much as it's moving in New York. Right or wrong?
Okay.
Like the
Let's
volume.
put it this way. First of all, let me. There are two contradictory statements that you have made right there. Before I address, I would like to clear a few things.
Yeah.
We don't accuse us for taking trades in the day unless there's like huge
Move.
move, right? No, let's say I would take probably once a week or something in the middle of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Shan would take like a couple of times a day,
Yeah.
not a week. But
Oh, he threw you under the bus.
he likes when the FOMO hits him. The FOMO hits him. He knows that, and I keep telling him. Shan would agree with me on this one, right? But Shan says no. The market is there. Anyways, okay. So let me put it this way: there are days when there is more volume in the market than it is in the New York session.
Yeah.
It's between 11 and 1 o'clock. There are days, right? But it's not every day. But I would say it happens like a couple of times a week that you will see, like the other day when the GU was falling last week, right? Like huge move, the correction move. It fell like 150 odd pips after the stream finished.
Wow. Insane.
Yeah. But if I have a winning trade and if I'm up for the day, then I just close my charts. I just don't look at it. But you know.
Yeah. 8 people watching and only 3 likes. Come on, guys. I know. People don't support. That's the issue.
Now he does a trading session too.
Who?
Trade with the pack. You know the guy Sasha? Remember Sasha?
Yeah.
He used to. Which date was it? Yeah, today was 4th. Yeah. So he had like 1K followers today.
Nice. Very good.
He used to be on Rakil's stream, right? If you remember.
Yes.
So yeah, now he's doing his own.
Which session?
Same as Rakil.
6:30?
Yes, sir.
Why?
I don't know.
Is it the same pair?
He looks at GA, GJ. Yeah, GA and GJ.
Wow.
He is going now. Can you in?
Oh no, man, I wasn't looking at it.
Oh. Five pips. Oh.
Who took this? Who did you take it, Farhan?
No, just joke. And I'm not getting in. I'm good for the day.
Okay, just for the viewers, out of curiosity, tell me something. When Rakil says 1 to 2 trades a day, right? And let's say you have 2 winning trades. Why do they say that 1 to 2 trades a day? Even if you have winning trades, why 1 to 2 trades a day?
Because the thing is, like, in that way, you will, in the third trade, what you will do, if you lose the third trade, and then you will take a fourth trade to recover back your profit which you had it for the day. Then you will lose the fourth trade too, and then you will be depressed, right?
But that can happen on your first trade too, right? Then
yeah, so he says, like, take first trade if you're losing, take a second one. So if you lose that second one, just call it a day. That's it.
But sometimes he takes a winning trade and then he takes another trade.
Okay, that's what happened with him today. He took one trade in the morning and he kept saying all that time that he's not going to take.
So you know, Umar, what happened with him today? Like, he opened a 15 lot, right? And he closed it in profit and then in negative, so he just made $700. For him, it was nothing, right?
Just $700, yeah.
Yeah, just
compared to the lot size which he opened,
yes.
15 lot, right?
Yeah.
So that's why, like, he closed the whole thing in like 7 pips, I think, or which I don't think so, like, even in 7 pips. So then he took another trade because he was waiting and he saw that confirmation, then he took it. Because I think so he was waiting for more than an hour for that setup.
Yeah, but he kept saying all the way to that, he's done for the day.
Yeah.
And then he goes take another one.
Yeah, he said, I'm done for the day, I'm done for the day. Even Sean was, I think heard him too, that he said, I'm done for the day, and I have all blues this week and this and that, so I'm just done for the day, I'm done for the day. And then there was setup that came. So that's my point, right? So and when a setup comes, then even he himself can't resist it.
Yeah. Let's see, Forex Frank, what do you think? I think he watches the New York stream. I mean, he's probably saying that because there's a lot of new traders, so he wants to make an example. You know.
I mean, I'm okay with that. Like, he took a second trade. He says 1 to 2 trades a day. There's no problem.
Yeah.
But my question was just being curious that what's the psychology behind 1 to 2 or the. Okay, I understand that if you have 2. So what if you have a third trade as a winning trade too?
Then you're overtrading at this point.
Yeah, but I think Rakil even says that too, that you can have one losing trade, one winning trade, and you can give a third winning trade something. What is it? There's something as well for a third trade.
We have Mr. John over here. He said he closed 7 lots out of 10 lots, trade at 7 pips, contract, and taking extra trades. I think it just comes. Yeah, I think it just comes with experience. Like, when he sees like there's volume in the market, he just hops in and he's like, okay, here's an opportunity.
Is he saying John from our class?
No. That's different, Mr. John. He says that this is for Forex Frank. He says that for newer people to help keep them from giving the profits back to the market. Yes. But like, you know, since Rakil class, like a lot of things like changed. You know, and it, like based off the way we trade is completely different than Rakil if you think about it. Like, what we look for is different than what Rakil looks for on GJ.
Not really. He looks pretty much the same things.
Nah, he doesn't look at the 4 hour, like where it taps to.
I mean, okay, he looks at it at the start of the stream, like when he's zoning out his mapping out his zones.
But the way for entries are different.
Yeah, based on 15 minutes.
Yeah. Like, that's the thing. Like, we cannot like trade. Like, everyone over here trades differently than everyone else. Like, Uncle Ted trades differently than Rakil.
Uncle Ted is not coming on the stream for the longest time.
Probably taking a vacation.
Yeah, been a long vacation for him. Like, I've not seen him. Farhan, do you remember seeing Mr. Ted for a long time, right?
No, he's not coming. No, I don't. So
But
people keep asking even on the screens. I haven't seen him.
But he was live yesterday, right? In Vancouver.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He does top-down analysis at the beginning of the session. Yes. But you know, every time I watch Rakil stream, the lines would already be there. I think he put them in before streaming. Right, Omar?
Yeah, I usually start watching him at like 7 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
So I think by that time he has all done it.
Okay, so let's see what's happening over here. Yeah, this area is a major issue. So we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna turn off YouTube. People on YouTube, thank you for coming. Forex Frank, John, anyone who took this trade, please give it a like, subscribe. It would help this channel. We'll see you guys tomorrow.